Hello everyone, my name is G. Today I can read the book Beautiful Birds. Chapter 1. Meet the Birds. Look, what is that soaring through the bright blue sky? It is a beautiful bird. How can you tell if something is a bird? Birds are only animals that have feathers. All birds also have 2 wings, 2 legs, and a beak. Most birds can fly, but not all of them. Penguins are flightless. They use their wings as zippers to swim through the water. There are about 100 different kinds of birds. They live all over the world. Birds come in various colors you can probably imagine. Chapter 2. Bird Skills. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eye to spot food. Some eat plants, some fruit, some eat other creatures including bugs, mice, and snakes. Birds make sound communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be afraid to written word. Some birds migrate. They travel long distance every year. They fly to cool places for the summer and warm places for the winter. Many birds build nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They are also a perfect place to raise chicks. Chapter 3. Amazing Birds. Want to meet some amazing birds? Morel storks have wingspan of up to 13 feet. Wow, that is grander than a bird. Peregrine falcons are the faster flies. They can go 90 miles per hour. That is faster than a cheetah and way faster than the quickest person ever. Witches are the biggest bird. They can grow to be my feet tall. An orange coat even travel over the fastest basketball player in the world. The smallest birds are hummingbirds. Sometimes see tiny wonder fly into York to sip nectar from flowers. There are so many beautiful birds to see. You only have to look around.